Because I'm the voice of
Confuses me.
Geico agents could help you save on
Beats me.
car insurance. Reason 2, they can help
Anyone would bully.
Reason 3, they're local.
I'm gonna pull every person that I've seen. Oh. Salsa. Jewelry, jams, and salsa. My kind of fucking place.
You're out of your fucking tree.
That's what it said.
You're a fucking so flunged up.
That's my homeboy.
Ay.
I got
Ay.
apple cider donuts.
I'm saying donuts. Are you half Mongo or full Mongo?
Corn! Look at all the fucking corn. Oh my god, that popped up so fast.
Corn Papa here.
That wasn't there last time. I haven't been up here in a while. I make you go alone. You deserve to be alone. No?
No.
Stop. Stop zapping me! Stop zapping me! Stop zapping me!
What the fuck is your problem?